Hi, I'm Dave Lipinski, the CIP Department Director for the town of Queen Creek, bringing you a quick update on a few large roadway projects that ourselves and our regional partners have coming to completion of construction in the near future here. We're standing at the intersection of Meridian and State Route 24. State Route 24 is an ADOT managed project that is anticipated to open mid-August of this year. As you can see in the background, Meridian Road, a section that the town is partnered with Pinal County on, is nearing completion of paving and will be opening in time for the State Route 24. The southern section of Meridian Road from Queen Creek to Germain. We've experienced some material delays and some utility delays recently, but we anticipate opening this section now at the end of September of this year. This is Signal Butte Road from Germain to the 24. City Mesa is managing this project and we anticipate it to be completed in December of this year.